Get is a very common verb, especially in formal speaking and writing. Get has many different meanings and is used in many idioms. We use it less often in formal writing. Get has many different grammatical patterns and depending on the meaning. Get is used as standalone verb with various meanings. Here is a list of uses for get as a main verb. Okay, the meaning number 1 is understand. I don't get it. Second, receive. Did you get my message? Number 3, buy. Where do you get your shoes from? Fourth one, take. She will get a taxi. Another one, arrive. What time did you get there? Earn. I get $10 an hour. Bring or fetch. Can you get that book for me? Become. Put your coat and scarf on, or you will get a cold. Communicate with. I got him by phone. Have a strong effect on. That film really got me. Capture or seize. The police got him at the station. Can I get a thumbs up for this lesson? Come on, I'm sure you can do that.